Hello guys, this is Ivan with delocus.com, delocus.com. Remember guys, you see me in Eastern Ohio, but today I'm in Florida, Miami, Florida. And usually you see me in Mexican restaurants showing you drinks, specials, coupons, and Mexican dishes. This is a Mexican dish. It's called pico de gallo, right? It's very simple. It's the easiest thing you can make at home. All you need is onion. We have onions here. We have some lemon juice. Looks good. We have some tomatoes. Look at that. You just have to cut them, just chop it in little pieces. That's all you need. It takes less than 5 minutes to make a good pico de gallo. We have cilantro. You can buy it anywhere. We have salt, sea salt. Any type of salt is good. And we have a good salsa brava or hot sauce. You can buy it anywhere you want. And it's simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things we need. 7 steps, and all you need is to mix it up. So let's mix some onion here. We have onion. We have tomatoes. There's some tomatoes. What else we need? We just mix it a little bit. It's nice here. I know guys, you are in Ohio and it's about what, like 30 degrees now, unfortunately. It's 85 degrees right now. This is paradise. We have some cilantro. We have some cilantro here, guys. Very good. We're gonna mix it up. Very nice. Remember pico de gallo. Guys, we might open some locations here in Miami, so just keep updated. We have some lemon juice. We don't need that much. Some lemon juice, some salt. This is not good. A lot of salt. I did it wrong. That's not the way to do it. I'm teaching you how to not to use salt. Mix it up. Very nice. Some hot sauce here. Salsa Tabasco, whatever. And pretty much this is it. Everything guys, pico de gallo here from Miami, Florida. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later.
Thank you,